Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. And today I have listed down the best audio AI models that one should know, ranging from voice cloning, TTS, conversational AI, music generation, and speech recognition. You name the domain, and we have the best AI model for that. So let's get started. And these are open source models. I'm not considering closed source models. These models are available on Hugging Face and you can test it down immediately. So the first section I'm talking about is conversational AI. So these are not your general text to speech model but can add human touches to it, like they can laugh, they have emotion attached to the audio and are very good at it. So in this category, the two models that I would love to mention is Dia 1.6B. Just love the model. It's quite small in size. It's a dialogue specialist. You can have multiple people talking together, create a podcast using an open source model. Emotion expressions are there. You can mention laugh, you can mention cry, and it includes that non-verbal sounds, as I'm saying. The first one in the conversational model before DIA 1.6b came in was Sesame CSM 1b, which opened this particular domain. It is based on llama based architecture. It takes audio prompts and give you decent outputs. It is not able to generate emotional expressions, but still a very good take given the size of the model. This next category is voice cloning. I think this is something that we all love to have. You can now clone your voice using AI and generate any celeb's voice as well. Most of the time, they are able to voice clone a smaller sample, but you can also append them together. And they support multiple languages also. So the best models here are F5 TTS. Hands down, I just love it. Zero shot cloning. So you don't need to provide any prerequisites. There are no samples required. You just provide one sample that you wish to clone, no training on your samples, and it would be able to clone your audio quickly and high quality and speed. I have used F5 TTS multiple times and it's great. Talking about the other one is Fish Speech, which is also great in voice cloning, and TTS also. These two models can do TTS as well, no phonemes, and can support multiple language also. Basic TTS, I think these is the category which is the hottest right now, and many models we have here, but we are analyzing the models on the basis of the size here and how lightweight and efficient are they. So here we have Kokoro 82 million. I think hands on it was trending on Hugging Face for months, I would remember. Just 82 million parameters and the quality is great. Similarly, just now Chatterbox has came in, which has beaten 11 labs also, as they have mentioned, which is quite small and provides voice cloning also. So given the size of the model, I think Chatterbox is your go-to solution, while Kokoro 82 million can be used in mobile also. These two are the hottest in this field. The next one is music generation. So we are not just talking about generating text, generating speech, but music also, and we have open source models for this also, with background music also coming into the picture. So the first one in this category was Meta's Music Gen. I think we all remember that, which was able to generate musical instruments but not lyrics. But recently, a step has been released, which is very fast, also can generate 4 minute songs and can generate lyrics plus drums plus the instrument as well. So, a step can be the game changing model in this category. Talking about speech recognition giants, so I think OpenAI Whisper hands down has been the king in this domain. Multiple languages, multiple variants, and near human accuracy is there. Recently, Nvidia has launched Parakeet V2 also, which is also very fast and very small in size too. So these two models are great and you can use any one of them. Now talking about the one of the uniquest model, that is Kimi Audio, which is a audio foundation model. I think this is a very unique model that we have, which can intake audio and can output audio also. So it's more of an LLM with audio. You don't need to convert your audio into text and then feed it to the LLM. You can talk to Kimi audio and it would be able to output audio directly. So this was the category that I was looking for. Voice cloning. We talked about TTS. We talked about conversational AI. We talked about music generation and audio foundational model, Kimi audio as well. These are the models that I've tested out. Great models, and in each of the categories, they lead the charts. I hope you try out these audio models. Audio model is firing up in 2025, and don't lag behind in this category for sure. Thank you so much.